a quick one. That you want to make sales because of competition around does not make you to be so desperate that you apply some kind of strategies that does not really befit you. Now, what am I talking about? Okay, a few days ago, I decided to go get eggs. Like the eggs in the house got finished, and then I needed to get eggs for my baby. So I said, because it was a Sunday, so let me just walk down to the street and get the eggs. So when I got there, I bought from someone. Yes, I buy things from everybody. Anywhere I stop, I buy things. I do not have this is my particular customer. That's me. I buy from everybody. Like I want everybody to be customers to me. So I can buy from you at any point in time, and I see no reason why anyone should question my decision because I can spend my money anywhere. So I got to the first place I go to, and I bought the eggs. So as I was going back, one of the ladies I used to buy things from just ran to me, stopped me. I was like, hey, why did you not buy egg from her? Like, this is how she put it. Like, don't I have eggs that you went to buy from the other woman? I was like, like the effrontery, the audacity, like, hey, God. So I was like, I'm not a kind of person that stamps this person as a customer. I buy from everyone. And again, most times the way you attend to your customers really matters. Like when it comes to eggs, anytime I go to that particular woman, she gives me the kind of eggs that I need. And then this other one, I bought eggs from her before, and the sizes of eggs she gave me for the price was not what I liked. So as at that point that I needed, I had to go to the place where the egg, I know that she will give me the size that befits the amount I was going to pay for it. So the way you attend to your customers really matters. And it really baffled me. Like, why would she come and ask me why I went to buy eggs there? And this someone I bought something from that afternoon, as in that Sunday afternoon, I sent someone to go buy things from her. So I'm making my money, and I should know where to spend my money. But if you want people to keep buying things from you, the service you render, the way you render them the service really matters, right? So you shouldn't, in fact, don't put it in your head that everyone around should come to you. That's just it, as a business person, because desperation has spoiled a lot of business. And before you know it, it will turn quarrel, it will turn other things. And when I was telling someone that this is the experience I had with this person, and it was like, that is how they do. Like both of them, that is how they do. Like, and I was like, how? And that made me to make a decision that I was not going to be buying anything from her because one, you are not the one making my money for me, and you don't tell me where to buy something. You are just someone I around my street, and I just decided to be buying things from you anytime I don't have those things at home. So it should not be that I must stop at your own shop or stop at your own office. So as a business person, don't be too desperate, because in the midst while you're so desperate, you could lose a lot of customers. Okay, so anytime someone comes to you to buy, fine. If they don't come, fine. Then the way you attend to them, the way you interact with them still matters. Okay, so we should just hold that in mind as business people, so that we don't go killing our businesses because of desperation. Desperation has killed a lot of businesses. You're so desperate that this thing must be like this customer must buy from me, and before you know it, they start fighting themselves, they start quarreling. Before you know it, all the spiritual things now, they start applying some, in fact, a lot of things came out from it, because like yesterday she had to come because she saw that I sent someone to buy something. She knew I was the one that sent to buy something from the other woman, so she came to my house, like to the extent that she burst into, you are knocking, and I told you I was busy because I know what you want to come and see, and then you just bashed into my house, came directly to the kitchen to come and meet me because of I bought egg from someone else. And it was you that actually caused the thing by coming to me to ask me why I went to buy egg there. Like, I don't know why you should ask me that. So I decided on my own, I wasn't going to be buying anything from you. And you have now read meaning to my not coming there again to be that. Yes. So she came and was like, she had accident, she did this, she did that, she had quarrel with this person, and the next week, the next day, she had accident, today she's still treating. Please. You might have issues with people, but no matter what happens, don't just read meaning to it. As a child of God, all you need to do is pray. Pray, and don't think anybody will wish you bad. Hence, you aren't wishing anybody bad. Okay, so do your business in line with God. That's why my YouTube channel is all about business tips and ideas with God's principles, biblical principles. So when you apply these principles, it really helps you. It beats you, it beats your success. So if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, go subscribe now. God bless you.